this is 8.6 day 1 homework, and we got to solve on number 4 here. There's a couple ways to do this. So probably the easiest way, honestly, is just to do cross products. When you have fraction equals fraction, you can say the two things across from each other multiply together to equal the other two things that are across from each other. So you could take those two, x plus 2 and x plus 3. So you can just multiply them together and then solve it from there. Okay, that'd probably be the easiest way. The other way, or the way we did them in class, was to find a common denominator, and it'll end up looking exactly like this eventually. But what that would be is a common denominator here would multiply the two existing denominators. So this side would need an x plus 6, and this side would need an x plus 2. Right, and we do it to both top and bottom. Oops, this should be a 6 there, and this is x plus 2. Right, and so what'll happen then is we'll FOIL up top, and then we'll multiply both sides by these denominators so they'll wipe out. Right, so these will disappear, and then we'll just have to FOIL the tops, which is exactly what we had over here already. Right, so however you want to think of it, you're going to get here, and then you're going to have to FOIL and go from there. So I'm just going to FOIL these out. I don't know why my thing is blinking goofy here. So that's x squared, that's 6x, negative 4x, and negative 24. FOIL out the other side. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 2 times x is 2x. And then 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so now I'm going to clean this stuff up. So the left-hand side, I can combine the middle two terms to give us 2x. On the right-hand side, combine these two. And then kind of the nice part about this is you have x squared on each side. So you can subtract x squared from both sides, and it wipes it out, and it's no longer quadratic. So that's actually really helpful. Is basically these cancel out and are gone. And now we just have a regular linear equation, and we want to get x's on one side, so take away 2x from both sides. So we have negative 24 equals 3x plus 6, and then minus 6 from both sides. Divide by 3, so we get negative 10 as our answer for x. And we could plug it in and check, but it should work out okay there. It looks like our answer is negative 10. All right, thanks for watching.